guys, so I've been craving Mexican food for a while now, and I'm really happy because this time I'm going to try some of their food na gusto ko tikman. And yeah, I'm going to show you all later yung food na in-order ko. And also, gusto ko sanang tumikim ng tamale guys, pero right now, wala silang available, so I'm going to try na lang some other time. Yeah, that's all. Hi guys, so here my nacho supreme, and this is for my appetizer, and these are the main course. So I have here soft tacos. I ordered soft guys kasi nahihirapan ako kumagat if hindi siya soft. And then of course, burrito. Ito yung pinunta ko dito guys, burrito. So yeah, taste test. Let's have this.
This is so good. So for our burrito guys, I ordered sana chili con carne, pero at the moment hindi siya available. So yeah, beef yung na order namin. This one is beef.
So guys, I'm done and I am really satisfied sa food. Craving satisfied. Finally, I'm able to eat my Mexican cravings. Sapsap.
Pero
Pisa lang. Also guys, meron akong meron akong nadala na take out kasi hindi ko naubos yung burrito guys. It's too big and napakadami naming order, so yeah. It's okay, kakain ko yan mamaya if maglalaro ako ng pickle to burn the food away. Charis. Thank you guys. So, the food is so great. Está buenísimo. Thank you.